This is Mamelodi Championship iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns North, Cape Town City 1. My brother, how are you and what's your name? Where do you come from?
I am Holland van Swem from Cape Town.
Yeah.
Traveled all the way here today for this game.
Yeah.
But for me personally, it doesn't matter who won or lost today. My MTN 8 was safe.
Yeah.
Sundowns are champions. I won. We are all happy.
Yeah.
But there's one thing I'm most happy about. To all Kaizer Chiefs fans, sorry, no MTN 8. And I would like to give a special shout out to my goalkeeper who gave me the gloves, who stopped the invincible season. Thank you, Darren Keat.
Nice one, nice one. Congratulations. You had a great game today, and you showed that you can beat the champions. You are the first team to win against Sundowns this season. 29 games left between, and then you came and you beat them. Like, how do you feel about that? And also, how do you feel about your last games? Because it seems like before this game you were a little bit shaky.
Yes. Okay, if you put it that way, after the AFCON break, the second half of the season, we did fall off. So I don't know what happened behind the scenes or something. But I'm just happy we end the season on a winning note. MTN 8, everyone's happy. So I'm happy with that.
That's what you do always when on your last game you win. Last time you beat Chiefs at FNP, so you good on this.
Yes, but somehow for me it was back to front because why? We started well, we did end well. Yeah. So next season I just hope we just push that extra mile. I'm not saying we're gonna win anything. Yeah. Just want to finish as high as possible.
Exactly. No, thank you very much. All the best in the next season.
Thank you.